Yo, doing earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we got the first order. This is Starbucks going 7 miles. Thank you. Oh, how I hate delivering single coffees. Really high mileage, low chance of tipping, and high chance of tipping over in my car. All red flags. Yeah, I kind of knew that order was not going to be the best. Total ended up being $7, but we got the next order right away. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee going 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order ended up being $8 and change. That one was pretty good. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is going to be $10 going 6 miles, 4 items. Easy peasy. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and Burgerville going 6 miles. Kind of wish I had received this 5 minutes ago when I was right next to those restaurants, but it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. How you doing? You too. Knock and leave at the door. Thank you, smiley face. That is terrifying. I don't like that at all. Total for that one ended up being $14 and change. Just got the next order. This is going to be Seize the Bagel going less than 3 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that one ended up being just under $7. Next up, we've got a Carl's Jr. going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
In all caps, it says, "Do not ring doorbell, exclamation point, exclamation point. Please don't. Please don't." I feel like you're trying to tell me something, but I'm not sure what it is. Oh, that was a good one. Total ended up being $11. Next up, we've got a kitchen table cafe going 7 miles. Looks like they're adding another kitchen table cafe order onto this. And of course, being so transparent, DoorDash does not show me the additional mileage, though it did tell me it was an estimated 15 minutes more, whatever that means.
How many? One orange juice, one salad.
Okay.
See.
Okay. At least they were both ready. Total there ended up being just under $15, and we got the next order right away. This is going to be Victor Rico's going 5 miles. Total for that was $7 and change. This next order is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles. Total for that was $6, and we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you. Says, please don't knock or ring doorbell, smiley face. Ooh, that was a good order. Total ended up being $9 and change. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $9 going 5 miles, only 2 items. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This is $11 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Have a good day. Well, I was gonna keep going, but I'm just not getting any orders anymore, so I guess that's my sign to call it a day. Current time is 11:12. Current total is 108, and I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, so that should bring it up to like 120, I think. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.